Come and cook with me. I'm just here. Come and cook with me. I'm just here. Hey everybody, what's going on? It's your girl, Just T, you guys. Coming at you guys with a nice little recipe. We're making steak and cheese subs. And right here I have some ribeye, thinly cut ribeye that I chopped and I diced into small pieces, as you can see here. Now you can buy it sometimes already shaved, or cut up small, whatever steak you want to use. I'm just using ribeye for this because it's awesome. And also I have some bell peppers, some onions, and some tomatoes with a little bit of jalapeno in there. And I have some more jalapenos that were pickled, cut them up. You're also going to need some cheese. I'm using white American cheese. Really, really good. And you're going to need some type of seasoning. I'm using this steak and chop seasoning. I love this seasoning. It's really, really good. You guys. And I'm just checking, the heat. If it feels hot to your hand, on top, then it's hot enough. All right. And so now we're just got to add those steak pieces on in here and get those cooking. I'm trying to get everything out that bowl, baby. Trust me, that steak ain't cheap. And I'm going to add some of that steak and chop seasoning on there. I actually used on here probably about maybe a tablespoon of this seasoning. And in that pack of steaks, there were 3 thin cut ribeye steaks. You want to go in periodically and just, mix it all up really nice and well. You don't have to mess with it too much, but you just want to mix it up. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, hey boo, what's up? How you doing? I hope that you enjoyed this video. Hope that you'll give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share it, all that good stuff, all right? It's just T, I like to have fun, you guys, and I'm so silly. And also, I moved everything to the side when the meat was almost done, and I'm just adding in the bell peppers and the onions. Now, this really, really goes good if you have like tricolor bell peppers and everything, but look, I ain't had none of that, so this is what we got. But you can also add, some mushrooms, whatever you want to put in your steak and cheese sub, boo, put it in there. I promise you, it's everything. It's yours. Do what you gotta do. And being from New York, oh my gosh, I truly miss the steak and cheese subs, especially prices. Rest in peace to you, ma'am, but I loved those subs before going out to the club in my day, back in the day. I used to always stop by her little restaurant. It was a little bar, and she sold steak and cheese subs, you guys. Oh my gosh, they were banging. And people back home, y'all know Sheely's used to have it going on as well. But I miss those subs back there. And right there, I'm just adding some of that same steak and chop seasoning onto the bell peppers and the onions as well. And once that steak, because the steak is actually done, it's done, I'm going to mix everything together shortly. Another way that you guys can do this, if you don't want to cook your bell peppers and your onions in with your steak, then you can definitely take the meat out once it's done, or you can cook your own vegetables first, if you want a nice little char on those vegetables, definitely. But I promise you guys, these were so freaking good. We tore these joints up, tore them up. tore them up. They were so good. This video is making me want to make them again. They truly were really good. I ain't even playing with y'all. Bang it. And right here, I have a little bit of butter that I'm just putting in this pan because I want to toast my buns. Now, you don't have to do this step, of course. If you want, you can skip it. But I like to just toast them a little bit. I don't want them crunchy. Don't want them crunchy, but I like a nice little toast on the inside. So that's just what I'm doing right here. And there they are. They're toasted. So now I'm going to take those off. And now we are about to build our sandwich, our sub, actually. So I'm just putting some more of the meat on here in the pan, and I'm going to add the cheese, and, you know, however they want their sub, you want your sub. This is right here. This is what I'm doing. I'm just making subs now. I'm about to build them up. Build them up. Oh, I feel too silly. And I think I'm a little sleepy too. So, you know, bear with me a little bit, y'all. And see, I like to let it sit on there for just like maybe a minute because I want it to get hot, right? Because once we put this cheese on there, which is going to be on top, you want it to melt. And right here, guys, I have some oil and vinegar, and I have some Italian seasoning in there. And so I'm just drizzling a little bit of that on top. And of course, you can skip it. You can put mayo on your sub roll or whatever. I'm just not a big fan of mayonnaise, so I like a little oil and vinegar on mine. But look at that. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Girl. Yes, go ahead, girl. Make me one of them right now. I ain't even playing with you. Oh my gosh, that stuff was so freaking good. It truly was, y'all. I am not playing with you. It was really good. Y'all got to try this. And this is the after, you know, after I garnished it and everything with what they wanted on theirs. Now, in a minute, y'all, I'm about to make mine. OMG. I'm about to give y'all my little secret recipe for my sub. This is mine right here. Just give me onions. I don't want no bell peppers on it, but watch this, okay? Give me some tomatoes. Dang, that was good. Yes, Lord, it was good. So this is how I like to make mine. This is mine, and I have some of those jalapenos on there because you know I love some spicy, y'all. I do. I love spicy. And right here, I'm just breaking up, excuse me, right here I'm just breaking up some white American cheese, and I'm just putting it on there because I like my cheese to be all up in the business, all right? I like a lot of cheese. I like a lot of cheese, so I'm just trying to get mine cheesy, but this is the way I make mine for myself. like I said, cheese, y'all. I love a lot of cheese. I do. On a steak and cheese sub, oh yes, give me extra cheese, all right? And since I'm making this at home, I want extra cheese. Please and thank you. Now this right here though, this reminds me of back home when I go and order a steak and cheese sub and I let them know what I want on it. And can you do this to it and that to it? And they be like, okay, yeah, I got you. I got me. Right there. Right there. I got me. Because I ain't done even much right now with the cheese, y'all. We coming back with some more cheese. Got to. What? Look at that. Tell me that don't look good. Man, please. You gonna slap everybody. Everybody. Your mama, your daddy. Yeah. Go ahead, Justy. Put that little oil and vinegar on there. Bang. Put it on there. Y'all ain't playing. Y'all better make this. I'm telling you, it's so freaking good. I promise you. If you make this just like this right here, oh my gosh. You gonna send them home. They gonna be calling you back. Oh my gosh, can you make that again for me? What did you do to that steak and cheese sub you made? Oh, I got you. And yeah, throw that little bit of lettuce on there. Go ahead. Bam. Yes, ma'am. There it go. I'm telling you, y'all. Good, y'all. I swear. Very delicious, you guys. But as always, it's your girl, Just T, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that you'll like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, all of that. Alright? So you know when I upload another video, because it's coming soon. Y'all stay forever blessed, y'all. I'm out. Thank you so much for watching. Stay forever blessed.